What if you're not who you think you are? I'm serious. Not in a sci-fi Matrix kind of way, but in a psychological, biological, real way. Everything you believe about yourself, your personality, your memories, your preferences, what if all of that is just a story your brain is telling itself? And what if the story isn't even true? Because here's the unsettling truth. Neuroscience hasn't found a single location in the brain where you live. No core, no center, no seat of the self. Just networks, patterns, neural loops replaying scripts. The self, the identity we protect and promote, is more like a character than a core. You were not born thinking, I'm shy, or I'm ambitious, or I'm broken. Those were labels assigned to you, reinforced by your environment and repeated by your brain until they felt permanent. But are they? If you grew up in a different culture, with different parents, on a different side of the planet, would you still be you? Research on neuroplasticity shows that even your personality isn't fixed. It bends. It adapts. The brain literally rewires based on behavior, experience, and belief. So here's the real question. Are you living as your actual self, or as the version of you that the world trained you to be? Think about that. Maybe your deepest beliefs are not actually yours. Maybe your inner voice is just an echo of old expectations. And maybe your identity isn't a discovery. It's a construction. And if it was built, it can be rebuilt. You're not stuck. You're not static. You're not broken. You're just running a script. Pause it. Question it. And you might just realize you were never the character. You've always been the author.